Happy New Year, and welcome to the Alpha Omega Wine Club January 2024 wine tasting experience. It's wintertime here in the Napa Valley, and there's a wonderful calm and a rustic beauty that envelops the valley this time of year. This short video contains a guided tasting of your two January Wine Club selections, followed by a food pairing by Chef Daniel Cadan, professor at the Culinary Institute of America here in the Napa Valley. In the meantime, we're delighted to share our January 2024 Wine Club selections with you. They are 2021 Napa Valley Chardonnay and 2021 Napa Valley Proprietary Red. We invite you to taste along with us as we describe the key characteristics of each wine and share some interesting details about where these wines are from and how they were made. So grab a wine opener, open both of your bottles, and let's taste these wines together. We're going to taste the 2021 Chardonnay first. If you're tasting with us, pour about 3 ounces of this wine into a Burgundy-style wine glass. Holding the glass at a 45-degree angle away from you, you'll notice that this wine has a beautiful straw yellow color with hints of gold. That's a result of fermentation and aging in French oak barrels. To appreciate the distinct aromas of this wine, give the wine several good swirls in your glass and then take a strong smell of the wine. This wine has youthful, fresh aromas of golden delicious apple and stone fruits, enhanced by enticing notes of vanilla, honey, and phyllo dough. Now, swirl the glass again, smell the wine, and take a hearty sip. This is a youthful, medium full-bodied wine with lively flavors of melon and lemon custard mixed with hints of hazelnut, nutmeg, and a stony minerality. The grapes that produced this wine came primarily from two regions located in the southern part of Napa Valley, Mount Veeder and Carneros. Breezes from nearby San Pablo Bay are particularly helpful for moderating Carneros temperatures, while higher altitudes provide cooler conditions in Mount Veeder. These types of cooler growing regions are ideal for Chardonnay to develop ripeness and complexity while maintaining acidity. Our 2021 Napa Valley Chardonnay was barrel fermented in 100% French oak. To soften the impact of the oak and preserve freshness in the wine, our winemakers selected 30% of this wine to be aged in French oak puncheons, roughly twice the size of a 60-gallon oak barrel. 2021 is an exceptional vintage, one of the best in the last 20 years here in the Napa Valley. Mild summer temperatures coupled with lower yields in the vineyards created perfect conditions for white grapes to achieve an ideal balance of ripeness and acidity. Next, let's taste the 2021 Napa Valley Proprietary Red. If you're tasting along with us, pour about 3 ounces of this wine into a Bordeaux-style wine glass. Holding the glass at a 45-degree angle away from you, you'll notice this is an opaque ruby red color with a bright red rim, which indicates its young age. To appreciate the aromas of this young wine, give the wine several good swirls in your glass and then take a strong sniff of the wine. This wine has forward, ripe aromas of black cherry, plum, and brandied red currants, joined by notes of purple flowers, mission fig, and cocoa. Now, swirl the glass again, smell the wine, and take a hearty sip. This is a rich, medium full-bodied wine with an exciting mix of bright red and black cherry fruits, accented by anise, summer truffle, and thyme. There's a great balance to this wine, which makes it very enjoyable to drink by itself now, but will also pair nicely with a wide range of cuisines. Proprietary Red has been produced by Alpha Omega since the winery's inception in 2006. Masterfully blended by our winemakers, Proprietary Red is a combination of all 5 of the classic Bordeaux varieties. It is truly a wine that expresses each vintage. The percentages of these varieties change every year based on the unique characteristics of that vintage. Sourced from a variety of vineyards located in 8 different AVAs throughout the Napa Valley, this wine also benefits from the complexity derived from grapes grown on valley floor, hillside, and mountaintop vineyards. In 2021, Proprietary Red is a blend of 30% Cabernet Sauvignon, 27% Merlot, 26% Petit Verdot, 12% Malbec, and 5% Cabernet Franc. Our winemakers fermented 50% of this wine in French oak barriques, which helped create an excellent balance of tannin and fruit in the wine. The wine was then aged for 21 months in 40% new French oak barriques, which gives this wine a structure to age gracefully over the next 10 years in your cellar. This wine is also from the exceptional growing season of 2021. This was a long growing season that allowed red grapes in particular to achieve full ripeness, along with a distinct depth of flavor, 2 key characteristics that define a great vintage. To accompany your wines, Chef Daniel has created his take on a classic wintertime dish that pairs extremely well with both the Chardonnay and the Proprietary Red, cassoulet. The richness of the beans coupled with the salty flavors of the duck confit work wonderfully with the bright acidity of the Chardonnay, and the proprietary red is a perfect flavor and body match for the duck and sausage flavors in this dish. Inside your club shipment, you'll find an insert with our 2024 winery event schedule and a QR code that will take you to a landing page with additional information about the wines, along with Chef Daniel's recipe. From all of us at Alpha Omega, thank you for being a part of our wine club family. We look forward to seeing you soon in 2024 at one of our many events at the winery.